Hi there, students. To sprain. A sprain. Okay, this is where you twist, for example, your ankle. So a sprained ankle. This is where you twist your ankle and it becomes inflated, yeah, and you can't walk properly. You haven't broken anything. You haven't torn any ligaments, but it's painful to walk on. A sprain is normally caused in a joint where two bones meet, where you twist the joint and it becomes inflamed. Yeah, it swells up a bit. Yeah, so I think it's one thing to twist your ankle out, but if it's sprained, it lasts a longer time. Okay, so to sprain your ankle, you wrench the ligaments of a joint, the ligaments, the bits that hold it together. Yeah, so after the match there were several sprains and bruises because it was a particularly rough match. Yeah, it's a term they use in medicine, but but this is used by everyone as well. Yeah, it's the twisting or the wrenching of the ligaments because you pull them too hard. Okay, so it's to overstrain them. Yeah, a sprained wrist. Okay, so sprained as an adjective. I'm sure you've all sprained your ankle. Yeah, it's painful, but there's actually nothing broken. Just wrap a bandage around it, and after a couple of days you will feel better. So you're effectively weakening it, but I think particularly sprain your ankle, sprain your knee, sprain your wrist as well. Could you sprain your neck? I guess you could sprain your neck, but I think it's probably less common. Okay, so to sprain. Formality, I would give this a 5 in formality. I think this is a phrase you can use anywhere. And as to origin, maybe it comes from Middle French, esprendre, to wring or to press out, from Latin exprimere, to squeeze or to squash. Yeah, so if you sprain your ankle, you shouldn't walk on it for a couple of days. Yeah, a sprain can be actually be quite painful. Yeah, it can keep you sitting. Yeah, so it's because you've overstretched the muscles and the ligaments, the bits that join it are stretched, but you haven't actually broken anything. You haven't broken the ligaments. Okay, so it's just to make it weaker, and it's swollen and it's a bit uncomfortable. So to wrench or twist the ligaments of a joint, but particularly the ankle or the wrist. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sprain, sprained.